Hello everyone, I'm repairing the receiver Heathkit AR-15. The problem with this is when plugging the power and the fuse blow immediately. This fuse over here, even though we replace a new fuse, and after the switch on, the light turn on maybe half a second and then went off, and the fuse over here is blow. After diagnosis and isolate the problem, this is the main transformer, and this kind of power supply regulator and filter, and a big capacitor over here. So, and I remove this wire here to isolate, to find out where the short in the circuit. And here's in the back over here. That's the power amplifier transistor and the heatsink for the right channel, the left channel. And I removed the two transistors here, the RCA. Each channel has a two power transistor, and this transistor is good, but actually some of them in the power amplifier on the left channel get shorted, and this transistor is good, and another one is good. And finally I found out the driver board for the transistor. This board for the left channel is bad. These two transistors here get shorted. The two. The port number for this one is a 40410. That's the PNP transistor. And when I go online and I buy two of this, and the price for it is about $10. But if I buy 4 of them, is the total is $24. So I buy 4 of this. That's the new one. That's a 410. And when you go online, they have the companion with this one is 40409, but that one is the NPN transistor. This is the PNP, but the 09 is the NPN. So by exactly the number, but don't buy the different number. It's not work. It will hurt the circuit. I carefully remove the solder and double check with the pins, and they actually shorted, but it happened on 2 of them. And the 3 pins over here, and this one is the heatsink. So I need to remove the heatsink to get the transistor out. Look at the circuit here. At the time they make very complex circuit here. That I think that the radios. And this is kind of the tuning transformer of the coils. Same over here. And look at the potentiometer over here. That's many of them. Here, all big resistor, power resistor, and that or that just volume balance. And on the switches, let's see a little bit on the top, and then we can open, remove the transistor and replace a new one there. That's the back. Here's at the top of the receiver with the wheel for the tuning. That's a circuit there. And I look briefly. This receiver have no transformer for the audio output. They just use the capacitor in series with the coil, and then go to the speaker. It's no transformer. So that's for one for left channel and one for the right channel. This is probably the antenna for the AM band. That's just over here. Okay, I think it's good to time to replace transistor. So we need to remove the transistor out and then put the two new one in there. Let's see. Now I start to remove the transistor. That's the hissing. The second one, and let's try to double check the shorted one. And here the two old transistor removed from the machine, and this one the two new one I'm going to replace. So try to double check with this one, the case here. So that this is the pin E, B, and C, and the pin C connect to the case, the heat radiator. Yeah. Yeah. So for the this PNP transistor, so we try to have this one put to the pin B, the red pin touch here. Thing. Oh, it's disconnected. Check this pin. The pin E and C is shorted together. Yeah, check this one. The same thing. Check this one, new one, the new one here. So have the black touch on the B. So 0.6, that's good. This one should be a 0.6 again over here. Good. And reverse this. Good. Good. And check the E and B, E and C. Good. Yeah, so the bad one, it not only short the pin E and C, but also it disconnect all the pins. This short the two pins together. Okay. So when we clean this, we have a double check any solder bridges, and let's see, solder good. No solder bridge, all the joints look good. And before we turn back the power, so we need to double check to see any shorted on the other circuit. Okay, that's a lot of work to put it back here. To put all of this transistor back together. Okay, one, and then another one. Oh, I think on this side of the heat sink or heat radiator, beside the transistor, and this one is a thermal switch or thermal fuse. When it is too hot, and this one will break, and then no power. I mean, it will cut off the power, so no more. It keeps the safety, no more heat. And I'm not sure this one can be like resettable, like after when the temperature cool down and the fuse kept like connect back together. Need to check. There's some of them is resettable, but this one may be resettable or maybe just one time burn. Time blow. And this location. Yeah, on this side, it's have the cap for this because it's face outside. And yeah, I think at this point you can maybe turn on the power and then let's see. Before turn on power, we need to check first. Yeah, before this one. Okay, this is why. This way from the power supply board, actually the transformer come out here, go to this for rectifier diode, and plus and minus side go to the capacitor here, and this one go to supply for the power amplifier. And before I check this one to ground, it's shorted at about 300 ohms. Let's check it back now, see what happened. There's a ground over here. Yep, and then check this one. Yeah, that's a kilo ohms range now. So I think that's good. And just leave this like that, and then turn on the power and then see anything wrong, and then everything looks good, and we can screw them back together. Okay, here, and let's check the fuse again, tips in there. Yeah, that's a new one that I put in here. The fuse is 3 amps, 250 volts. Put it back. Okay, there's a plug here. Make sure to turn it off, the switch. turn on the power now. It's the scary moment. That's the most scary moment here. Yeah, even though I work on this it's quite a long time, but at this moment I still get scared. That's an on. And because something happened and we cannot see or cannot predict something inside the circuit. And but before turn on the power, you need to double check or triple check everything before turn it on. It makes a okay. I think the back looks good. Now turn on the power. Okay. One, two, three. Yes, the power stay on. It's something, the lights over here. Some lights on. Lights over here. And oh, it changed the color. This one lost a cap. And let's see, AM, try the AM or FM. And check on this one, tuner. Something wrong with this one. Oh, no. Turn off again. Uh-oh. That's what's wrong with this. Let's check. Nothing warm. The two transistor, the transistor here a little bit warm. Oh, this one is hot. Bad. Oh no, this one gets hot, very hot. Uh-oh, there's something wrong with this one. Something wrong with this one. Not sure right now, so and let's double check circuit here again. It shorted again. Shorted again. No good. So, and this one is very hot. One side is cold, one side is hot. And I hope the two transistors just put in, not damage on that one. Let's try to move this one out and see. This one will get hot. Let me double check with this one. I remember I checked this one before, or maybe this it looked good. It's good, but maybe I forgot I checked only one. I didn't check the other one. So I think the case is the C. Let's see here. Oh, this short. Oh, C. I think this one's shorted. It's shorted here. shorted. So this is a B, it's a E, B, and C. So B and no, E and C shorted. Yeah, this one shorted, and it's still very warm. And let's check here again. So I think this one gets shorted, and don't know why. I don't remember I checked this before, or maybe I just check only one. And that's when we need to investigate some more. So now I need to do something else and then come back with this later, and see you later.